Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we will learn about functions. Now what are functions? What's the purpose of it? Well, here's the thing. Let's say you have a company and in that company you have some workers and those workers will do only one specific job and nothing else. So that's pretty much what functions are. They will do a specific job and that's it. So when you're creating functions, that's like you're hiring specific worker with specific skills. Okay, so how to do that? You'll say function and then name of that function that need to describe the purpose of it, like a print 3 times. And after that we will use normal brackets. Why? Because there are two types of functions. Normal ones or simple ones, and they will do hard-coded operations. Okay, and another type is you can pass things to functions, so those functions will do things inside of those brackets. Like if you here type some domain, then that means that this function can do ping of that domain, or it can grab DNS records, or who is data, and so on. So yeah, arguments basically. After that we need to say what operations we are doing here. So because our function is print 3 times something, let's do that. So dude, where's my car, right? And 3 times. Okay, and yeah, I always forget that br, damn it. So let me just copy this down there, Control C, and so on and so on. So now when we refresh our page we will get nothing. Even in the source code there will be absolutely zero. So why is that so? Well, first of all, this is PHP, so you will not see source code of PHP, and functions here are part of PHP. The thing is, if you have a function that means nothing, you need to use it, you need to call it. And how to do that? Well, you will just say what is the name of function, like print 3 times, and then don't forget brackets, and then semicolon, and now you will have results. See? So when you open page source, you will see just HTML and that's it. So PHP is hidden. Some people will say, well, cool, that means that I can call one function so many times. Well, yeah, let's do that. It's totally up to you. See? Cool stuff, time savior. But other people will say, well, this is stupid. Why I need to call it always and so on and so on? Can I create function that will call functions? Well, yeah, so let's actually do that. Function like call other functions. So that will be the purpose of it. And in operation we will just state what functions we are going to call. And because we have only one here defined, print 3 times, don't forget brackets, and yeah, so let's use it like 4 times. So basically that means that we will have 12 lines in the results. Okay, refresh, nothing. Yeah, because I didn't call it. So I'm not calling a function that are calling functions. So call other functions, brackets, semicolon, and now we will have our results. See? Cool stuff. So this is basically not just that it will get specific job done, but it will also save you a lot of time. So let me see what else we can do here. Let me think. So let's do something useful. We will create a function that will do ping of Google, and only Google, or maybe even another websites automatically, one after another. So function custom pinger, and for now nothing in arguments, and system brackets, what are we pinging? Ping Google, and don't forget semicolon. But we also need here echo pre, because we need to have a nicer report. Okay, so let me copy paste that down there, and now I think that we will have a result. But of course we need to call our custom pinger. Okay, and that's it, you know, that's very it. 1, 2, 3, go, go, go. There you go, we have our results. So how many of these websites we can ping, it's totally up to you. So let's just say that we wanna ping Yahoo too, but let's have some kind of vertical separator here. BR, like HR, and then BR, and then down there we will call system, and target will be Yahoo. So ping Yahoo, and yeah, I think that's it. So let me check. Yeah, that's it. Save and refresh, and now we will have 2 results. So every time when you want to ping 2 of those, you can just call this function, and that's it. That's pretty much it. Yahoo, Google, so we have our results. Okay, so let me see what to do in next tutorial. We can learn how to work with arguments. Yeah, so with 1 argument and multiple arguments. So that will be task in the next tutorial. And as always, thank you for watching, for support and subscription. See you there.